This is the homepage of our mobile application. Users can join as customers, companies, or verifiers by clicking on the respective buttons. Let us first demonstrate the workflow for companies. Firstly, the company will be asked to insert the registration number and password to sign in. They will be able to have options to append or check the status of their certifications as well as provenance timeline. For instance, the company wants to request verification for a new test certification. Therefore, they press Request Append on Certifications to proceed. Then on the next page, the company can press the Request New Credential Verification button to lead them to the next page. This page will ask the company for details of the test report, as well as an upload of the certification. After filling out the information and entering, the test report details will be displayed with a pending status, awaiting the verifier to approve.
On the other hand, after a third-party verifier logs in, they will be able to see a list of pending verifications from different mass companies. The third party can click Confirm or Decline if the request includes any false information. Here, Nelson's lab confirms the testing report of bacterial filtration, so they press the Confirm button and it leads them to the confirmation page. Afterwards, the status of the certification confirmation request will be set to Approved. After the confirmation, the credential will be uploaded to the blockchain, and the company will receive a notification of the confirmation. Now, suppose the company wants to input chat records into the blockchain. After selecting Request Append on Provenance, the company is required to input details of the procedure, manufacturer, batch code, and so on. After entering the details, the appendation will be visible with pending status.
The same approach will be implemented in the provenance section. After logging in, ABC manufacturer can either approve or decline the request of appendation from companies. For instance, ABC manufacturer finished the process of sterilization. Hence, they will confirm and a success page will be shown, and the status of the request will be updated. When all the certifications and provenance procedures have both been carried out and verified, a unique QR code will be generated and shown to the company through our application. The generated QR code should then be printed out and pasted on the boxes of masks of the particular batch. The QR code will then be accessible to customers, where they can use our application to scan and find out more information about.
Customers are not required to log in. They can simply press on the mask company they want to know more about. They will then have the option to scan the QR code pasted on the boxes of face masks. After scanning the QR code, they will be brought to a page where they can clearly view the batch of face mask provenance and certifications. The information includes dates of procedures and tests, test numbers, test facilities, and even manufacturers involved. She can even click into the details and view test certificates if the company has uploaded them, and view detailed information about each procedure in the provenance timeline.